Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best benchtop bandsaw that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Grizzly G0555LX14 Deluxe Benchtop Bandsaw. Now, this is something solid we are talking about. This Grizzly Benchtop Bandsaw is a hardcore power tool. Your work will be accomplished with the utmost ease. Any cut you ask for, it can cut through your wood pieces in a flash. Its simple body structure with a simple mechanism might deceive you. But do not fall for it. It is completely opposite in terms of functioning. It is strategically designed likewise to make it easy for you to use it. You can't compare its unexpectedly high performance with its simplicity. This Grizzly 14-inch bandsaw has a durable hardcore body structure. It is holistically made of cast iron. You can imagine how rigid this saw is. It is constructed like so for bearing all the workloads without breaking down. It can tolerate all your wood's weight. With hardcore construction, it also includes durable ball bearings in every attachment. This inclusion is a big changemaker. The ones with no such bearing wear off easily. Whereas, this advanced tool focusing on the fact consists of ball bearings to eliminate unnecessary frictions while movement. Thus, last long delivering smooth service. You don't have to worry about where to place this heavy tool. The set comes with a cool steel-made stand. It bears all the weight of the saw effortlessly, gives it stability and proper balance for completing your work. Moving on at number 4, we have the WEN 3962 2-speed bandsaw with stand and worklight. Are you getting disappointed worrying about the prices of these professional bandsaws? Don't be at all. Not all bandsaws are expensive. I have one here that will fall right into your budget. Picked this desirable 10-inch WEN benchtop bandsaw only for you. It is the best small bandsaw as per me. For you to believe me, you got to dig deeper. The first impression that you will get from it is its small-sized body in black. The chic look matches its standard maintaining working ability. It is just ideal for hobbyists or small-scale woodworkers. It accompanies a replaceable stand. So, you can keep it if you want the stand. Otherwise, you can also fix it on your work table or other platforms for saving space. I would say every small workshop holder must have this small-sized competent saw. Its dupe look hides how powerful the saw is. You get to cut a massive 6 inches thick wood chunk with this potent saw. It gives a very high blade rotating speed for efficient cutting. Options are always useful, so, it gives you two. You can shift between 1520 fpm to as high as 2620 fpm. One exotic feature of this bandsaw makes it different from all other saws present in this list. It's the Worklight facility of this WEN 3962 bandsaw I am talking about. This genius inclusion makes the work lot easier. Whether you are working in a shadowy place or a place where sunlight cannot reach, none will be a problem for you. This Worklight will always keep your working spot illuminated. At number 3, we have the WEN 3975T metal cutting benchtop bandsaw. After some wood carving saws, let's check on one metal cutter. This WEN bandsaw is one fine metal clipper that you find in the market. Its proficiency is praiseworthy. You can effortlessly nip your metal pieces in seconds. With efficacy in work, it has some good looks too. It is impossible to ignore its sophisticated and neat design. Its eye-catching visual makes it very persuasive. The simple and classy body structure of the saw can add a subtle touch to your workshop. Another important aspect of this WEN super flexible benchtop bandsaw is its small structure. It is ideal for any small working space or workshop. There won't be any storing issues with this bandsaw if you don't have much space. It won't take that much room. Rather save you some more for storing other items. The main purpose of a bandsaw is not on its looks but its ability to sawing. However, this saw can give you both. Its compatibility is beyond comparison. You get the utmost flexibility in cutting varieties of metals. With the speed shift, you get the opportunity of changing the metal type. It gives you the versatility of cutting different metals from different angles. You get to make bevel cuts with this advanced benchtop bandsaw. Your cuts can be made from a straight 0-0 to a massive 60-0 angle. You can accomplish any necessary task of cutting metal with this vast angle shift. At number 2, we have the Delta 28-400-14 1 HP steel frame bandsaw. As you have scrolled down to the last one, you deserve a good ending. Thus, giving you so here's one of the best tabletop bandsaws that you can find in the market after a tiresome search. This is something that will not disappoint you by any means. Every person who ever used it only left good reviews for it. Now the question is, what makes it that perfect that everyone loves it? There is not one but several points to exhibit in favor of this Delta benchtop bandsaw. Every aspect of it is made with such perfection and care that it provides similar results. Let's start with the main point, competence of the motor. You can trust this tool for the highly powerful 1 HP motor that it has. This competent motor can generate 2 blade speeds. The lower speed is as low as 1620 fpm and the highest is 3340 fpm. You know exactly what you gain with these speed differences. Yes, the speed duality gives the versatility of cutting both wood and metal. The lower speed is ideal for cutting certain thicknesses of metals, whereas the upper limit is for cutting through wood. Its high blade speed gives utmost accuracy while curving through the wood pieces. The 2 wheels of this saw is a highlighting aspect to mention. They are made of 9 spokes in total. Overmolded with rubber, the main construction material is aluminum. The overall construction of the wheels is strategically planned for delivering smooth movement of the blade. And finally at number 1, we have the Rikon 10-305 bandsaw with fence. Each penny you pay is valuable. That's why it is important to invest in a quality-insured tool. Such a quality-insured worthy device is this Rikon benchtop bandsaw. From efficiency to durability, it offers you with all. Rikon did a great job in terms of the construction of the saw. Its highly durable hard steel frame and cast iron built work table can tackle all work abuses. No matter how roughly you use it, you do not have to worry about damaging it. It won't wear off that easy. This Rikon 10-305 10-inch bandsaw is powered by a highly powerful 1/3 HP motor. You can just relax and trim all your desired wood pieces with this tough cutter. It gives you the flexibility of cutting through any type of wood without restriction. You must not hold back to try out any form of woodworking cuts. From miter cut to bevel to rip and cross cuts, all cuts are like a piece of cake for this bandsaw. You won't be left out for resawing too. It gives you a 4.625 inches resawing capacity for your creative woodworking projects. You can curve your wood like cutting butter thanks to its high cutting speed. It would be wrong if I do not mention how much your safety is cared by Rikon benchtop bandsaw. The saw possesses a safety paddle on its power switch. Its importance must be valued if you do not want to run into an accident. Unintentional powering of the tool is very dangerous. Considering the fact, ensuring your safety, the saw has this safety protocol in it. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.